Today, we're going to talk about how we automated our lawn care business. Now let's start this right off with, you notice I didn't say automated our landscape business. We've kind of split the sections of our business. There's the landscaping area and then there's the lawn care and maintenance area of the business. The lawn care business, that's what we've had the success with of automating to this point. And the landscaping business is what we're working on doing the same with. So the first step to automating the lawn care business was taking information that we got from the years, whatever that would be to us, time, square footage of properties, averages, variables. And we took all of that information over the first year and the second year and we crunched that down. And that allowed us to make it easier to price things, to figure things out. So there wasn't so many variables in our pricing and there wasn't so much, yeah, that one's about 50. It allowed us to really hone in on what the cost should be. The second step after doing this is we took all that information to create a rate matrix inside a service autopilot, which I preach. Service autopilot is awesome. It's amazing for our business. It allowed us to create a rate matrix for lawn care, fertilization, and weed control, all of these maintenance tasks, so we could standardize how we price those. All of this allows you to automate the process. So then when you look at a lawn care property, there is a standardized rate matrix with variables. I know everybody thinks square footage, what a joke, but square footage pricing with variables for an A lawn, a B lawn, a C lawn, C being the hardest, A being the easiest. And we used all of this to make the pricing easy and quick for the office. This allows us to price a lot of our maintenance services right from behind a computer desk. So now the only thing that the office has to go out and look at is mulching and hedge trimming and cleanups, things like that. So with that being said, we're going to transition into this third step of how we took taking information, creating a rate matrix inside a service autopilot to make it like a standardized system, into the third and final step that really makes this all work. The third step to this was empowering our team. We split the offices. I mentioned this at the very first part of this video. We split the offices. Front office is all incoming calls and maintenance. They handle it all. Zoe is a rock star in our company. She's the account manager she's basically the maintenance manager, handles everything, office manager. She is a rock star. She schedules all the work. She estimates a majority of the work. I mean, she just kills it. But with these things, we built the tools and we gave them to her. Over time, she learned how to schedule. Over time, she learned how to estimate other stuff outside of just what we did on a standardized system. And now we have it where the whole system, the whole thing, built in with emails to notify customers, built in with everything, is streamlined and works all the time. I can't say how proud I am of my team for taking on so many things, handling so many customers. You know, it's not insane amount of Mo customers. Right now it's 170 something, you know, and in the future, within a year, I know it's going to be 200 and then 300 and then 500 and 1,000, you know, but seeing such a strong base now, it is so amazing to see how they've handled that and how the system we took with Service Autopilot helping us has created us to just push forward so quickly. This is how we automated our business. Guys, if you got questions on this, if you want me to open this topic up more, if you want me to build this in, give you more information, ask the questions about this, because the lawn care side has been something that it went really quick. The landscaping side's getting there. It's getting easier all the time. And I'm so proud of the landscaping side, all the people that are working and that are invested in their time in that, the things we're going to do with our business, how we're going to make it better for everybody involved, you know, how we're going to take it to new levels that most people don't even expect, but we're working on them right now behind the scenes. It's all there, and I can't wait. So comment, ask the questions. And then for the final little thing that I want to talk about that made all these pieces that Zoe works on, that manages, and how Service Autopilot brought all that together. We take these rate matrices where she's able to estimate the work, and then Service Autopilot ties it all together. It makes the estimates fly for mowing and fertilization. We can basically have anyone do those. And then it also makes it where we can have our teams all have tablets so they're notified of what's going on, so they can clock in and clock out of the jobs, and we can job cost the jobs. I just made a video about job costing. Job costing is extremely important. What kind of money are you making when you're doing this work? If you're doing it for free, it's not worth doing. We're in it to make a profit, to make it better for our employees. That's one of the hardest things, is getting the productivity up and getting things where they're working right so you can do more and more for the employees. My only game plan in this is to build a company that is a great success, to give other people opportunities, to give my family a life beyond its belief, to build this for everyone involved, to help customers, to help people, to something that I've realized I'm so passionate about, helping kids with special needs. Something that I want to be able to give massive amounts of time to and massive amounts of funds to. And you can't do that when you're not job costing and you're not making any money. I'm still working on being able to do all those things. So Service Autopilot, the systems it allows you to create, the systems that it's not just it. You can do it with anything. It's how we do it. But the systems you can create when you watch and track your times and see what's going on will free you. Guys, great talking to you. Ladies, great talking to you. Everybody, have an awesome day. See you soon.